Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanilla Arts, and this is my little project that I've done yesterday. So it took me, I must say, nearly all day. I don't know, 8 to 10 hours, I think. And as you can see, it's a little house and some trees, some garden, some sky, some little contrast of white. This is the pattern, as you can see, and this is what I've made. So this is a wooden dowel that remained from a big wooden dowel that I had for a different project, where I've made with cats, design of cats. As you can see, I used here white pearlescent, white sparkly yarn thread on cotton base strings, and I've recycled my strings. As you can see, everything colored here are the ends of the strings, the yarn that I no longer use because it's too less of it. So it's something that you can use for projects like this, where, for example, it doesn't need too much to do a couple of clouds or a roof or a couple of trees here. So I've used it, and have a look at the back. As you can see, it's, I think, quite tidy in comparison to different ones I've been doing before, different wall hangings I've been doing before. And I have to hide a couple of these threads that are situated on the edge, at the edge of my project. And as you can see, it's a lovely, beautiful landscape of two trees, of some sort of garden, houses combined together. It reminds me a bit of Italian village, maybe Italian type houses with orangey kind of bricks, roofs, and the blue sky with white, lighter colored clouds, with windows. As you can see, the roof is quite nice. The shadowing at the back of the house is nice. I think it turned out to be very nice indeed, even though the threads, the yarns aren't straight. So as you can see, the green colored yarn, green colored thread, is actually thicker than any other thread tone I've used in this image. And what I'm left to do from here, I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows here, 5 rows of the frame. Let's call it a frame. So 5 rows here, so I've done 2, I need another 3, and then I'll do the ends. I thought about doing some sort of plaiting with the ends, so it looks nice and colorful and finished to this piece. And I think it turns out very nice, especially when the light hits the white sparkly yarn. I think it's very nice. And I'm really glad that wooden dowel is just about right here. I've taken this pattern from the website, from Bracelet book, and I fell in love with this pattern. As you can see, it's very nice. It looks very nice. Obviously the pattern looked like it will be in a circular shape. In this case it became more like oval, a bit like an egg shape to it. It's made by Ella 05. The pattern number is 5642-1. It's made with 29 strings, 10 colors. I've used recycled threads here in this landscape. The sparky thread obviously is more expensive, it's new, so I thought about being it for it to become like a little bit like a frame to this piece. So I decided to use a far more expensive thread to kind of bring a bit of luxurious feel to this piece. And I need to do another 3 rows and I will be done with this picture, with this project. If you already have an account with Bracelet book, then you can become my friend. I always accept any friend requests. I accept, and you're welcome to see my page, you're welcome to see my artwork and my other projects I've made. And feel free to look at my profile, feel free to watch my other videos on my channel, Anna Vanila Arts, and you might like other things that I do as well. So if you came to this channel because you are a big fan of knotting, you should know that I also do knitting, crocheting, so you can find other related searches, other related videos on my channel of other things that I'm able to do. So you can watch me knitting also, not just knotting in the real time. And I usually like to do different things as my hobby. I can't just stop at doing just one thing only, just one craft type only. I like to do all sorts of crafts at the same time. So I tend to do every single month, every single week, about different crafts, and then I publish them on my channel. So please have a look and leave your comment and give me some ideas or patterns that you'd like me to do, and tell me what you like, what you dislike about my videos. How would you like for me to improve my channel? Like some sort of advices to me will be well appreciated by myself. If you want to advise me in certain things, or maybe you're a specialist in alpha or normal patterns, then please feel free to show me your videos and let's share the content and have a joy becoming friends, and support my channel and subscribe to my channel. And I would probably sell this piece on my Etsy channel, but I still need to think if I want to do it, because I put so much work into it. So many color changings I had to be doing here. Also, please feel free to bring your family together and start watching my channel and my videos and have fun. And I hope I can teach you with some things, maybe new things you've never done before in crafting. I just hope I can be useful to you, and hopefully you're going to understand my accent, my British English. So I have learned all the techniques and everything in Russian, so I sometimes find difficult to explain in English exactly how I learned in Russian. So please forgive me if I happen to messed up with my speech at some stage in my videos. Please forgive me for that. I'm trying to do my best and talk about the crafts and the things that I like and dislike, and hope you like to chat that with me also. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also write comments about what would you like me to do next, how can I improve my channel, and how I can do better videos, and what else would you like me to do. So I may create a better content in the near future than what I do these days. I just hope it's possible to do it, and for me to become a bit more professional to all of you. I like mostly to do alpha knotting than normal bracelets. I'm not too much into bracelet making, but I do like doing wall hangings, like this one, for example, which creates like a sort of like an idea, a picture of something useful, something nice, something that I can recycle my threads for, and create a beautiful image that you can hang on the wall and be proud of doing it, proud owning it, and decorating your house with it. And I would like next to do possibly some other things with cats, which I adore so much. Yes, and I recently have made a composition of two cats being in love, which was quite a big pattern. It was quite a big wall hanging. This one is slightly smaller, but it's got more colors and more twists and turns in here. As you can see, it's a lot of color switching happening here, a lot of detailing to do, count and process. And sometimes a piece like this, which is quite small, may take longer to do than, let's say, something which is simpler but a bit longer, a bit bigger than this. I'm going to do a fresh new video in the next couple of days and weeks. I would like to do a jumper, a sweater maybe, and I'm going to do a video of how I'm doing it, and I hope you will love it as well as much as you love this piece. And I hope we can start the autumn together with new projects about autumn and everything else. So please subscribe and enjoy becoming my new friend, and hopefully we can chat soon and share opinions and do the best in my channel. Thank you very much. Love you lots. Bye bye.